Hello everyone, this is chapter number 5, fertilizers and manures. So our first point is, this is our second lecture. Our next point is phosphate fertilizers. These are also called phosphates, or these are made from the mineral apatite or rock phosphate, which can be applied directly in the finely powdered form. Apatite, when treated with H2SO4 or H3PO4, makes liquid superphosphate. So these fertilizers are required in lesser amount than nitrogen fertilizer. Most soil contains phosphates in the form of complexes, that is Ca3PO4 twice, or iron and aluminium complex and organic compounds. So here farmers have added phosphates to their fields since the dawn of agriculture. Humans and animals get more phosphorus than they need from their diets. The rest ends up in manures. Manure is the traditional form of phosphate fertilizers and still accounts for about 15% of all phosphate fertilizers used in world agriculture. So what are exactly phosphate fertilizers? The nutrient phosphorus present in phosphate fertilizers are usually expressed in terms of phosphoric anhydride or simply as phosphorus pentoxide, that is P2O5. The availability of phosphorus in which it is present, the amount of phosphorus available to the plants depends upon the extent to which the fertilizer supplied HPO4 or H2PO4 ions. So now, classification of phosphatic fertilizers. They are divided into three groups. First one is water soluble or ortho or monophosphate or phosphatic fertilizers. Second one is citric acid soluble dicalcium phosphate, and third one is insoluble phosphate fertilizers. So we will discuss water soluble phosphatic fertilizers or ortho or mono calcium phosphate or CaH2PO4 twice. So what are water soluble phosphatic fertilizers? These fertilizers contains phosphorus in available form in neutral soils, which can be readily absorbed by young plants. In acid soils and free ions, aluminium hydroxide phosphates, but in alkaline and calcareous soils, water soluble phosphorus is converted into insoluble calcium phosphates. So here we can see the chart of water soluble phosphatic fertilizers. There are fertilizers single superphosphate and the percentage of P2O5 is 18%. The second one is double superphosphate, that is 32% phosphorus pentoxide. Then triple superphosphate, 46 to 48% of phosphorus pentoxide, and last one is ammonium phosphate, which contains 20% of phosphorus pentoxides. Our next point is citric acid soluble phosphatic fertilizers. Citric acid soluble. The citric soluble fertilizers are suitable for acidic soils because at low pH citrate soluble phosphorus is converted to monocalcium phosphate, not as water soluble or water soluble phosphate, and therefore phosphorus is not fixed as iron and aluminium phosphates. So here we can see the chart. In this chart there are citric acid soluble phosphatic fertilizers. So fertilizers are dicalcium phosphate and the phosphorus pentoxide percentage of that fertilizer is 14% P2O5, that is extract soluble. Then basic slag, that is CaO etc., which contains 20% phosphorus pentoxide. Then calcium metaphosphate, which contains 60 to 64% of P2O5. So here it is citric acid soluble phosphate fertilizers. Now our next point is water and citrate insoluble phosphatic fertilizers. These mineral fertilizers contains phosphorus, which is insoluble in water as well as in citric acid. It is insoluble in water as well as in acid also. They are suitable in strongly acidic soil or organic soil. These fertilizers are given in green manured field. The phosphorus is very slowly released by microbes at action and remain in soil for very long time. So here we can see water and citrate insoluble phosphatic fertilizer. So that fertilizer is insoluble in water as well as citric acid. So here it is chart. The chart contains rock phosphate, that is calcium P2O5% is 20 to 30%, and second one is bone metal. That bone metal fertilizer also contains 21 to 25% of phosphorus pentoxide. Our next point is other phosphatic fertilizers. This is also type of phosphatic fertilizer. This is which contains all other phosphatic fertilizers. So following are some other phosphatic fertilizers, which includes Kotka phosphate, which contains 26% of phosphorus pentoxide, Renmia phosphate, which contains 26 to 28% of phosphorus pentoxide, then Thermophos, Pelophos, Coronat phosphate, which also contains 21% of P2O5. So here it is other phosphatic fertilizers. In this figure, we can see phosphatic fertilizers or phosphate fertilizers like diammonium phosphate etc. and MKP ratio is there. Here it is phosphorus fertilizers, phosphate fertilizers bags. So our next point is orthophosphatic fertilizers. Before that, the dicalcium phosphate is the principal constituent in two major fertilizers, usually nitric phosphate, obtained as a product of neutralization of phosphate ore and nitric acid with ammonia. So the resulting product is dried and granulated, and other is ammonical superphosphate, that is CaH2PO4 twice, is formed when monocalcium phosphate in superphosphate is treated with ammonia. And some basic phosphate is also formed along with it. For phosphate of low solubility, and best result is obtained with finely divided material on acid soil. Polyphosphates are also used as a fertilizers. So our next point is orthophosphatic fertilizers, then citric acid soluble dicalcium phosphate, phosphatic fertilizers that is insoluble. So what is orthophosphatic fertilizers? The active constituents are monocalcium phosphate, MCP, and phosphoric acid superphosphate is formed by dissolving rock salts into H2SO4. If rock phosphate is reacted with excess of H2SO4, H3PO4 is produced, which is then used to dissolve fresh rock phosphate, and higher grades of superphosphates are obtained. Partial neutralization of acid with ammonia gives multi-nutrient fertilizers as monoammonium phosphate, that is MAP, monoammonium phosphate, that partial neutralization of acid with ammonia, it gives multi-nutrient fertilizers like MAP, and diammonium phosphate DAP. Diammonium phosphate is DAP and monoammonium phosphate is MAP. By decreasing the ratio of H2O to P2O5 and H3PO4 is upgraded to superphosphatic acid, which is mixed of H4P2O7 and higher molecular weight polymers. Then next one is citric acid soluble dicalcium phosphate, that is CaHPO4 or CaH2PO4 twice. Basic slag contains 14 to 18% of P2O5 and CaHPO4 contains 34 to 49% of phosphorus pentoxide. Because of the low pH, these fertilizers are suitable for acidic soils. Being citric acid soluble, they get converted to MCP. And the phosphate does not get fixed by Fe and aluminium as phosphatase. So third point is phosphatic fertilizers which are insoluble. Example, Ca3PO4 twice, that is TCP. Rock phosphate contains 20 to 40% of P2O5. Raw bone meal, that is 20 to 25% of P2O5. Steam bones meal, which contains 22% of P2O5, are some of the fertilizers of this group. So they are suitable for highly acidic soil or organic soil which require large quantity of phosphoric fertilizers. So here we have discussed about phosphatic fertilizers, the classification of phosphatic fertilizers, three groups like water soluble ortho or monophosphate, citric acid soluble dicalcium phosphate, and third one is insoluble phosphate fertilizers, and last one is other phosphate fertilizers. So here our phosphate template is over, phosphate or phosphatic fertilizers point is over, and in our next lecture we will discuss potassic fertilizers or fertilizers of potassium. Okay, thank you.